Well, don't worry. I have the sandwiches right in here. Hey, where are all the sandwiches? Oh, I must have forgot. And I'm so hungry. I'm sorry, my love.
To be honest, guys, my stomach is hungry for real pizza.
We've been walking for so long. Isn't there any food on this island?
Didn't you realize what you did not just think?
No.
You ate bombs.
It's not your fault. It's Dodgeball's fault.
Oh, I'm hungry again.
What the chocolate hamburger? You literally ate 2 minutes ago.
Sheesh, what a chicken. I'm hungry. Maybe there's some berries or something in the woods. It beats the crap they feed us.
Wow, I'm pretty hungry. Hey, Space.
What's the next challenge be? Okay, the next challenge.